Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are painting this beautiful sunset landscape painting in watercolor. A glowing sky reflected in a calm silhouette of palm trees. I will take you step by step through the process from the first wash to the final details. Let's get started. You don't need any drawing for this painting. I'm just making an horizon line to separate the land area and the sky area. We will start with the sky area first. Wet your paper with the clean water. I'm using 100% cotton paper. It's a Baohong brand. I'm using a basic color palette of blue, grays, and some warm colors: yellow ochre, red, orange, and green. All materials I have mentioned in the description box. Starting with the Naples yellow ochre, and a little bit red, orange, and burnt sienna for the sky. My paper is wet, so you don't need to merge them. We are working on a wet on wet technique. So just touch off yellow, red, and orange into the sky and let them merge naturally. In the water area, I'm using the same colors of the sky. Keep your brush strokes very light for the soft look. When you hold your brush from the end and move your hand from left to the right, you will get very easy and very soft brush strokes, very light brush strokes. You don't have to give any pressure. You can see the very soft look of the sky. Again, adding same colors in the land area. I'm using very basic color palette for this painting. You can just play with the colors in watercolor. You can use any color theme for your painting. Making my horizon line little darker. Now for the foreground, I am adding sap green for the grass area. Add little orange, yellow, or a burnt raw umber for that muddy land. You can use any greens, any browns. Slightly dry your paper. After that, you can add no yellow or orange for the sky. This will make your sky more brighter. Watercolor dries, they become lighter, making it more brighter. Lightly add red and orange because my paper is dry. Keep the edges soft. Now for the distant trees, adding mix of blue, um, raw umber or a burnt sienna and the sap green. Make a nice dark shade. Adding to the horizon for the depth. I'm just suggesting the shapes of the trees. In watercolor, you can lift some paint if you find it is very dark. Just wet your brush and lift up the paint. Or you can use tissue, tap the tissue there. And now for our silhouette trees, palm trees. It's a shade mix of paint. It is very dark. Just give some strokes outside. a little dry brush, not very wet. You can add 2-3 palm trees over there. Do not overthink about the trees and their details. Just place them wherever you feel you require. It's a practice painting. For the depth, you can add more trees also. Side also, I'm adding some trees. You just have to give an outline of the tree. We'll add some grasses and some bushes over there. You can use any small liner brush, rigger brush for this. That is our focal point, so I'm adding more trees and bushes there. Now all details you have to add. I'm adding dark values to the land. Mix up on sienna, red, light yellow, and just give a bold strokes to there. Don't try to be perfect every time. Getting some reflection with the flat brush. Just simple straight strokes. And adding little orange there. You can watch more those watercolor painting to my channel. If you enjoy this video, if you have any thoughts about it, please let me know in the comments. and some spattering with the yellow ochre. You can spatter with white, you can spatter with violet. Give highlights with the white paint. Just touch off here and there. If you enjoyed painting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more watercolor tutorials. And we have finished our beautiful landscape painting. Just removing the masking tape. And don't forget to sign your painting. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.